Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening we're at the ever popular Kapparis area, and it's really posh now. They've done the pavements, they've got a lovely new road, they've got flower beds, and something smells delish. Oh, it's Magazaki charcoal grill and goodness. There it is. Should we go in there tonight? Smells delish. Let's go. Let's have a look at the menu first, guys, and I'm going to do it out here because it's all lit up. Village salad is just under €8. We've got cold starters at €3 and €3.50. Pita breads are €1.50. Hot starters, you can have a whole halloumi for just under €9. So that possibly a whole big halloumi chopped up. Village sausage, 2 pieces at just under €7. There's some pictures. Oh, that looks delish. Is that the souvlaki or is that chef de? Yes, that's chef de. Yes, I might have that. That looks delish. That's probably a mixed grill. Let's go and have a look. Chicken doner is just under €10. Pork kebabs just under 10. Chef de is just under 10. It's very reasonable. Grilled mushrooms, $7.50. All looks very reasonable. Meat platter for 2 people, you get 2 pork kebabs, chicken kebab, chef de, yes, halloumi. Village sausage, grilled vegetables, fried potatoes, that's €15 each person. Comes to €30. Meat meze you can have. Charcoal spare ribs, just under €18. Chicken fillet grill. Beef steak, $21.90. Mixed grill, $16.90. Pork kebab, chef de yes, $11.90. Mixed chicken, just under €13. Separate dishes, moussaka, beef stovado. Fish, you can have calamari, sea bream. They have got a vegetarian section, a children's section, just under €7. Desserts, orange pie, delish. Traditional Cypriot orange pie. Apple pie, and of course your ice cream, $3.90. That's for 3 scoops. That's very reasonable actually, for 3 scoops, isn't it, guys? That's €1.30 a scoop. Delish. I think that's a halloumi. Ah, it's a whole halloumi. I thought it's in pieces, but no, it's a whole piece that is fried or grilled. Right, let's go in. Now they have got a terrace area, by the way, guys. There it is on the right hand side, so that'd be great in the summer. And of course in the summer these doors open up, you see, and the inside comes outside. Are you having a soft drink? I've just missed the drinks bill, but they've got lots of wine. It's very reasonable, and the slow beer is just €3.90. Very reasonable. All smells very delicious. Have you looked at the menu? Because I have outside.
I have, but I'm very confused.
Yeah, well there are a few pictures outside, and I looked at the chef de yes, and they look triple delish. Oh, guess what's happened? The slow beer's turned up. Delish. Now you come here quite often, don't you?
We do. We've got a flat here.
Brilliant. And you've just got halloumi and pita bread, haven't you?
Halloumi and pita, delicious.
Oh,
very delicious.
Now I was going to have the chef de yes, but I might have that.
It's very nice.
That is amazing. I do like halloumi and pita bread. I'll ask him for that. And what's your partner had?
I think he's had the mixed kebab.
Was that triple delish?
Always is.
Always is in here, isn't
we
it?
Come here
lovely.
Regular.
What's your name?
Leonie.
Nice to meet you.
And you.
Now what I did miss out there was the pasticcio, or macaroni in the oven as we call it, and that's $13.90, and that's one of my favourites, and that's what I'm going to have. What are you going to have?
I think I'm going to go for
Are you going to have the halloumi like the lady? Because that's what I was going to have.
halloumi and lunza kebab, but with some chips.
Halloumi and linzer kebab with some chips.
Yeah.
Are you having it in the pita bread itself?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
There you are. So that's now I might have a side dish of chips because I fancy chips. Share a portion of chips. Good idea. There we are. Slow beer. It's not the beginning of the season yet. Bit naughty. I've been having water lately. Gone on to the slow beer. What did you have to eat?
What did I have to eat? I had a miss kebab, which is a pork kebab and shaftaria, and it was triple delicious.
Really? What's your name?
Crunch.
And you're going a bit deaf like me, aren't you?
That's 45 years of very loud rock music.
Yeah. And it's a bit of a blessing in disguise, really, isn't it?
It can be sometimes.
Can be, definitely.
Makes for a happy marriage.
Definitely. I quite agree with that. So I've got a slow beer. Let me thank Liz, Marty, Steve, Peter, Stacey and Derek and Tracy for the super thanks. Cheers guys. I've got the glass, different kind of glass. Yes, dear Liz.
We keep saying what we never do it. Let's do it.
Cheers. I'm just interfering your meal with some new viewers. What you got there?
Halloumi.
Is that the halloumi and lunza?
No lunza. I'm vegetarian.
Oh, that's what that lady had, and it's
Yeah.
triple delish, isn't it?
Triple delicious.
What's your name?
Sarah.
Now, I think the crew's going to have halloumi and lunza, so that should
Yeah.
be delish. And what are you having? Oh, you've got your
me.
mouth full.
It's all
I'll
right.
come back later.
All right.
I'll have a chat over here, shall I?
Can I say hello to Andy? Hello, Andy. My
Andy?
husband.
Who's Andy?
My husband. He always.
Have you left him back in the UK?
We have. And he's having sticky
That's
toffee
not-
pudding at the moment.
Oh, he's lucky, isn't he? So is he on his own having sticky toffee pudding? Oh, he's a lucky chap. I wonder what he's watching on TV.
He loves you
It won't be
bits.
Coronation
Always
Street, would it?
watching. No.
No.
It's probably you.
It's probably on YouTube watching
Oh, yes, it's you.
something silly like
No, it's
Cyprus
you.
Insight.
I'm watching you.
Oh, I told you it was something silly. She's put something in her mouth again. I was just going to ask how her meal was and what she's having, and she keeps putting things in her mouth. What's your name?
It's Julie.
Hello, Julie. Can
Hi.
you not put anything in your
I'll
mouth
try
for
not
2
to.
minutes? What are you having to eat, love?
I'm having chicken kebab and chips,
Is
and
it-
it's beautiful.
Oh, we don't
Absolutely.
really say that on this channel, do we?
Oh,
Delish.
oh,
thank-
it's delish.
Thank you very much. Oh, you two guys, look, that's what it's like. You've got to have one of these one day.
Eggs is very hot.
Very hot, be careful. You've got to try one of these one day. Triple delish.
Can't go wrong in there. Can't go wrong.
Thank you. Oh, is that? I've got salad with it. Lovely.
It comes with this.
Oh, it comes with it. Oh, thank you very much. I've got a salad with mine. And let's have a look at your kebab.
I give you one extra plate.
Oh, yeah, we've
Because
got.
it's very hot, this one.
Okay, good
You
idea.
want to put in the plate the food. Yeah?
Okay. Ooh, proper chips.
Enjoy it, thank you.
Look at
I
that.
think there's enough food there.
I think there's just about enough food.
Just about enough.
Oh, super delicious. Now guys, this is super hot. So what he's done is given me an extra plate if I want to put it into the other plate.
Do we meet again?
Alright, see you later, enjoy. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh yes. That is just what I wanted, guys. What I will do is I'll start off with the salad and a few chips, and I'll wait till that cools down. Have you got garlic bread with yours? To share?
Put a bit on the plate so it's cooling down.
Right, okay. Have you just squirted your lemon? You've got to squirt the lemon, guys. It's Cyprus tradition. Get your lemon and squirt. There we go. You can always squirt it on chips as well.
Yeah. Ready? Cheers, Grant.
Cheers. Thanks, Grant. Cheers, mate. Oh yes, triple delish. That is one of my favourite Cypriot meals, and it is up to triple delish standard. How's that massive kebab?
Double delish.
That's amazing. That's halloumi, lunza, loads of it there, and a lovely salad. What's the garlic bread like?
Delish.
Delish, 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 triple delish, triple delish. I'm actually struggling a bit. It's a lot of food, guys. How are you getting on with that? Look at the size of that kebab. It's enormous. You've got loads of lunza in there, by the way. You carry on. So we are 3/4 away through, and we like to do a little update. Cypriot chips are triple delish, amazing. The macaroni in the oven, that's what I call it, is just like Mum makes. And
Struggling.
you're struggling, but you do very, very well. That's
really thick halloumi.
That's a whole piece of halloumi in there, by the way. A massive piece of halloumi. Good value for money. How's your complimentary starters? That's garlic bread, and that's Cypriot bread.
Have a bit.
Try a bit, why not? Oh yeah. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Mmm. I should say it's delish. I'm really full up, but we get complimentary Cypriot cake.
Good cake.
That's good cake, which is
Semolina.
semolina, is it? Or is it a lemon cake? Orange cake?
I think it's semolina
I
syrup.
think it's orange cake. Ooh, mmm. Mmm.
What is it?
Orange cake.
Okay.
Mm. That's delish. Mm. Oh, look what you get with the bill. You get a takeaway menu as well. We'll take that with us.
Delivery.
There we are. Delivery hours. Oh, lots of delivery hours. And there's the address. Kennedy Avenue, Kapparis 46. Oh, there we are. Now, how can the viewers get here?
They can come on the 711 bus, which runs down Kennedy Avenue,
Yes.
or the 101 drops you off at the roundabout at the end,
Oh,
and the 102 to go back.
oh, thank you very much. And how much is the fare?
€1.50 a ride.
Very reasonable. Now there is lots of disabled parking, guys, just across the road there, and there is a little step to get into the restaurant, and unfortunately you will have to go up the steps to go to the toilet. Well, there you are, guys. If you don't know where to eat, follow your nose. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.